Today I'm going to be showing you 5 patterns on the Rubik's Cube, and the first one I'm going to show you is the dot pattern. What that is just the centers go in different positions. So this is how you do it. You go up with the middle, go this way with the middle layer like that, go back down and back with that one, and you should have this. Get it back, you want to turn this back, this up, this back, this down. Next pattern is the checkerboard pattern. That is just checkerboards on each side. So you want to go, sorry about that, my cat. Go up 2, turn the cube over to the right side now, up 2, now turn this, up 2. What you do is this, and you can have any side facing you to get it back, so you just want to go up 2, up 2, up 2. Next pattern is going to be the H pattern on each side. So what you want to do, you want any face facing you, and you want to go up 2 times, and then bring it back down, and then 2 times. Wait, yeah, and bring this down, this back, and this to get an H there. Then you want to turn it over to the split, and then go up, do the same thing. What you should get is H on each side. To get this back, you want the H's like this, and then you want to go that. And what you get is 4 salt, and then like that. Next pattern I'm going to show you is high, so it's going to have H, I, H, I. So what we're going to do, you want to first do that H that you did before, so then go like this. And instead of going like that, you want to turn it there, and turn it like this, then go do the same thing. So like that, and you should get an H, an I, H, and I. You want to first start with the H's, and then do this to get it back. Then you want to start with the I, and then do it like this again. Next pattern I'm going to be showing, wait, I'll be back. Sorry about that, guys, I made a mistake trying to get it back from the H and I, high. So the last pattern I'm going to be showing you is the super flip. It just flips all 12 edges. So what you want to do, you get this and do that 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll see that the orange is up here, and you want to turn it to the orange and then turn it this way and do that thing 4 times again. And now you put the yellows up there, go up there, turn it around, do 4. 4. What you should have is this on each face, and you can see white, 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 orange, 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 blue, 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 yellow, 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 and red, 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 red. To get this back, you just do all that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it up here, down, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all I'm going to be showing you today. So hope you enjoyed, hope you liked the patterns. yeah. Till next time. See ya.